Firefighters! Another fire! Whoa, whoa.
Let's be extra careful out there.
Have you ever dreamt of battling blazing infernos, rescuing clumsy cats, and yelling, "Grab the hose," at your best friend?
Whoa, that's a huge fire!
Then grab your fire helmet and your favorite people, because Firefighters is not just an action-packed adventure. It's a super social firefighting frenzy where teamwork is everything.
Let's move, team!
This game was built from the ground up to be played with friends. Sure, you can play on your own, but why face flaming chaos alone when you could be shouting strategies with your crew?
Nice and steady, Firefighters.
You and your buddies join an elite firefighting team, complete with a gruff fire chief, a lovable firehouse dog, and a station full of rookie energy.
You've got this team!
Your goal? Work together to stop fires from turning homes into ash, and to save the occasional cat who made one very poor life choice.
Thank you! Thank you! Meow, meow!
The action? Totally cooperative. One player wrangles the hose, another sets up the ladder, while someone else scopes out the next hotspot. Literally.
Careful, careful! We've got this!
Every blaze is a new group puzzle. Should you split up or stick together? Which fire do you tackle first? Talking it out is the only way to win.
Heads up! Safety first!
But wait, there's more social sauce. If your teammate gets knocked out or scorched, you both have to activate the medkit to revive them. No lone heroes here. Everything's better with backup. And of course, there's bragging rights. With in-game leaderboards, you and your friends can compare your epic saves and most cats rescued. Firefighters isn't just a game. It's a social adventure where laughter, chaos, and camaraderie collide in the best way possible. Grab your real-life crew, crank up the teamwork, and get ready to save the day. Together.
I believe in every single one of you! Crisis averted!
We're the best crew ever.